Hello everyone, welcome back to Be10x channel. Today let's focus on how to convert Excel cells with the details like countries, regions or cities. For example, like India, Sweden or France. And we need to get the current world statistics like population, area and other details. Okay, so we will be using ChatGPT to assist us in giving this information. And imagine that you are not sure as how to extract the geographical details of the cell data. Okay, so let's go to the Excel sheet. If you are someone using Excel in your day-to-day job, let me tell you something: you are going to be replaced unless you are integrating AI in your Excel. If you integrate AI in your Excel workflow, let me tell you something: you are going to be 10x more productive and you will be getting that promotion that you deserve. If you want to learn all this, join me for my 2 hours workshop on Excel using AI. So this will be your Excel sheet. Okay, so here I have given this country. We have India, Canada, France, United States of America and Australia. Here also I just for single explanation, I have given it. Okay, so let me go to the ChatGPT because we are asking ChatGPT to assist us. Okay, so here is a ChatGPT. So I will be typing like need to get the geography details like population, image like means flag image, description from the Excel ribbon because we are going to get this information from the Excel ribbon within the Excel rather than getting through the formulas we are getting with the Excel ribbon. That will be easy because we should know the basic functions of that. Okay, and you me the so to get the so when it is giving the information on important update, I see all aware that AI is taking over the world in such a short span of time. We have seen so many layoffs, millions of jobs replaced by AI, and you don't want to get affected by this recession rate. Okay, so AI won't replace you, but the person using the AI will replace your job. So if you want to save your job and begin irreplaceable in your career, join our 3 hours AI tools workshop in which we will teach you about the best tools to upskill, increase your productivity and enhance your career. All the installation steps and other tools will be explained in detail in our Be10x program. Make your future secure with us and join our workshop by clicking the link below in the description. Okay, so if you okay, it has given us the details. So if you want to go to the Be10x link, this will be the link. Okay, and go below here. Okay, you can see the details like Office AI using workshop. Okay, these are the details. And you can see the testimony over here. And you can see the other information. Okay, so you will be definitely benefited by these things. Okay, and you can register over here. Okay, so don't miss this opportunity. It's a wonderful workshop. Okay, so let's go over here. It has given the information. So it is giving enter a location in the cell, first to type the name of the geographical location to a cell in Excel. So we have already given this details. Okay, we have given the India, Canada, France. Okay. So first I will go with a single country and then let's go for a bulk country. Okay, because if I enter the single country, you will get to know what are the steps. If it is a bulk means it will be easy because each and every time it may not be good to enter the updates. Okay, so by drag and drop method with a table, you can get it we'll know that little by little. Okay. So here it is given select the cell with the location name. Okay, and here it is giving go to the data. Okay, we have the data and it is telling under the data tab Excel ribbon, the data type click the geography. Okay, so here you can see this data type stock is there go to the geography. So I am selecting here, okay, maybe for the thing. So it has been highlighted. Okay, you can see the 3 ribbons over here. Okay, show card like that. And then, right, if I am giving, okay, like currency code, that is INR. Okay, and similarly, and again, if you want to get some other information description. Okay, so India officially it has given. Okay, if you move over there, you'll get a description officially. And like what is GDP because mainly will be, you should be knowing these type of details, right? So this is an example like and for example, this is one. Okay, this is for the single point. Okay, if you want to get the details in single. Okay, but if you want, for example, I don't want this type of information. This is first, I'm going for multiple. Okay, so I am selecting the cells. Okay, and go over here insert table. Okay, taking the table. And I'm giving, okay, since this country is the header rate. So I'm giving my table has had there and it will choose the cell. Okay, so I'm giving over here. Okay, France. Now, I'll go to the same place like data. And now if I give over here, it will give for everything. Okay, so capital. So this is New Delhi, for Canada, France, it's Paris. Okay, so Australia, so on. So see why this information is accurate means guys, if you may be in a situation where you need not to go for somewhere else and you need to do web scraping, those type of in details you can do with the help of this inbuilt option. Okay, through that way also you can do, but if you know the shortcut and if you know the details and when ChatGPT is there to help you, we need not to look into alternate option. Okay, because sometimes you may need to give some information. Right. So this is one, and for example, what is the currency code? Okay, yeah, it has given this will be the currency code INR, Canada, Europe, that tells the details, and okay, that way you can always use this point. Okay, guys, so that it will add like a cell and it will ask the important details, right? An image that will give the flag details. Okay, so INR, these are the things and like leaders will choose. Okay, so the presidents, whose are the presidents that is like, it has given that name detail and any other infant mortality is recorded because these are the details that will help. So now it has given the full details, right? And who are the people here, like including our Narendra Modi ji, our Prime Minister is there, and like here also Joe Biden, and these details are their infant mortality and like national anthem is their official language. Okay, that we can try. And these are the things and like, so all these things are there. See, if you want to get to the details like what should be the tax revenue, for example, you are planning to get PR in some other country. Okay, this also can help you because like rather than searching in some other search engine, it will give a lot of information, but this can give you the proper and what is the time zone, what is the unemployment rate, urban population. And also guys, see, it depends on country to country, also some countries rate that will give some details which were some countries like household items. Okay, if you're choosing United States alone means you can get the household details. Okay, that option is present in the Excel. But whereas if you're choosing Canada, the household options are not there. So it depends on country to country, whereas these are the details where anyone will look into it. Okay, and it will give a brief idea about it. And there are many options in the Excel, which it will be difficult for us to go through the search engine and to enter the details and to get the updates. But whereas in ChatGPT, if you look over here, for example, just it is giving all the information, okay, like how to do, okay, and it will give other solution also getting an image to a description. Okay, so it is giving sometimes this time, our ChatGPT has prompted a better way. That means with the basic information, sometimes it will give the formulas, whereas the formula information may not be required for this type of operation. Okay, so at that time, you may need to prompt such that I am not required a formula, give me the data ribbon option. So that will be easy. Okay, for this point, formula may not be required. Data option may be the best. So I hope you enjoy this session, guys. Take care. See you. Bye bye again.